I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making chocolate covered marzipan. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Today is National Marzipan Day, so I thought that this would be the perfect episode to highlight a confection that goes all the way back to the 11th century, when it was introduced to the world by the people of Persia. Or maybe Spain. There's evidence to support either claim. Regardless, it's a delightful treat with very few ingredients that's super easy to make, so let's get into it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own chocolate-covered marzipan, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1 cup of finely ground almond flour, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 cup of dark chocolate. I'm also using a mixer, a cutting board, some cling film, a sheet of SilPat, a bowl, and some precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Place the almond flour and powdered sugar in the bowl of your mixer and mix until they're well combined. Add the almond extract and water and mix until it comes together into a smooth dough. If necessary, you can add a little more water or flour until it's the right consistency. Move the marzipan to a cutting board and knead it for about 30 seconds. Roll the marzipan into logs, wrap them in plastic, and refrigerate them for about an hour. Cut the marzipan into discs. Melt or temper the chocolate, dip a disc into the chocolate, let it drain, then place it on a lined cutting board. Repeat with the rest of the discs, then leave them on the counter to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Up front, I've not had a lot of marzipan, but this tastes just like I remember it, although I've never had it with chocolate before. The chocolate gives it a nice bite, and the marzipan itself has a soft texture, kind of like the cream cheese mince I made a few weeks ago. There's a hint of graininess there, but I don't find it at all unpleasant. The almond flavor is front and center, and it's sweet, but not overly so. The chocolate adds its own layer of flavor, and I think they go really well together. If you're looking for a super easy treat from a recipe that's been around for over 1,000 years, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Regardless, it's a delightful... Up front, I've not had a lot of marzipan, but let's just...